All right, guys. So we have a, what are we looking at, guys? What are we looking at? What are we looking at? We have a 2016. Did I say 16? Yeah, that's a 16. It's a 16. 2016 Ford Escape. This is how you do your battery, okay? You see where your battery is at? Okay, you have your whole tray. You have to take your wiper blade arms off. Pop these off. Okay, you can just squeeze them, pop them off, hold on to them. You need a 15mm nut here. Okay, make sure when you put them back on, you put them back on snug. Not too tight, but definitely not too loose, because they will come off. Okay, you might need to take a pry bar and pop them off. Give me, is there a pry bar in there? You're gonna need a T25 to take off your brake fluid reservoir. It can just hang, no big deal. Just get it out your way. Keep all your bolts. You also have these clips. Take these clips off. Most battery shops won't take these off, won't do all this. Not battery shops, but most of the vendors that sell batteries. Okay. Good too. Wait, just stuck on here good, guys. There we go. Sometimes you just gotta have a good pry bar. Get you a good pry bar and you're all set. Hello. And these just have body tabs that snap into place. What happened?
Did you hear John yesterday? They ran over
Ain't nothing to do with that. That's just wrong. Got 10mm screws here. Make sure you look in the back underneath. There's nothing under there. Now you have access to your battery, guys. Okay? So what I like to use is a memory saver. Get you a jump box. You can get you a cheaper memory saver. It plugs up to your OBD2. So you need to make sure you have power. Disconnect your negative first. You can see it's a little bit corroded. But that's an 8, if I'm not mistaken. We're missing out. It's a 10. I'm lying, guys. It's a 10. I'm sorry. It's a 10. Get your 10. Hold down bracket is 10 millimeters. Take that, set that aside. Okay, and get your negative, wiggle it a little bit. Always the negative first. Always the negative first. Take that off. Just lift that up. Take that out. Okay. Then get to your positive. Don't use an impact on these. Now it's good to have a battery carrier. I don't have one right now. Get this out of your way. Make sure you don't touch any grounds. Tearing up my gloves per usual. Always tearing up gloves. Look at that, that's gross. Those ain't mine. Oh no, those are extra large, those are mine. I'll have to look inside, I don't even know. Thank you. Go ahead, slide this in. Negative side first. Terminal facing towards passenger. Negative last, okay guys? Get your positive. Millimeter. Get that to going back up. We in the money. Throw this on there. Make sure the wires are looped in. Okay, out the way. Put your bracket back on. Put Extra 10 millimeter. What's going on?
How are you?
Not bad. What's up?
How's everything?
Pretty good.
Good. Hey, I got a 2015 7 Series.
Uh-huh.
What's wrong with it? You know the hose for the turbo? No, the intercooler? Uh-huh. You know? Yep. Where it goes? Yep. It's cut. Okay. You still have the separate now? Yeah, one down there? Yeah. Does it have those, right? Yep. Yeah. Yeah, I'm sure I do. Yeah. I need to fix it as soon as possible. Well, with those, the last few that I did, you have to get a whole replacement. I did. You have the replacement? I have the whole hose that comes all the way from side to the engine all the way to here. Okay. Let me get done with this. Give me a second. And then I'll let you know if I can do it today. I think I can do it today, but just give me a second real fast. It's not even today. Not even today. Even next week. Okay. You can do it? Yeah. How much does it cost? In all honesty, it's no less than like 150 to do it. Okay. Yeah. So, you have to do subframe or no? Subframe? No, I shouldn't have to. Really? Yeah, I shouldn't have to. The last two that I did, I didn't. It just depends on how bad it is. Okay. But let me look. What do you mean how bad it is? Like, because the hose, look at the hose one. Mm-hmm. It's exactly like this one. You know how this is from? Yeah. It's cut from here, from outside. Okay. It's not cut from here. It's from here. But you bought the whole hose. Yeah, I bought the whole hose. It's two hoses. Yeah. It's still one. Mm-hmm. It's a unit. Yeah. I bought it from Hamid. Okay. You know Hamid? Yeah. For use. Mm-hmm. So this is what it is. Okay. And the car, you cannot start it. You cannot drive it. Oh my god. Where is that? It's right at the storage. Okay. Down the street. So what are you gonna do? You gonna pull it out or? I have to bring it with their truck. Okay. So you gotta Tuesday. What's today? Saturday? Yeah. Yeah, I also need to do a couple of jobs as well with that car. I want you to. I think the lower control arm is bent. Mm-hmm. I want you to also do the lower control arm. Okay. Now when I break your car, so I want to do business, but the problem is it's been a while. You know, even outside the country, I stayed outside for a long time. Okay. And now I'm back, you know, but these times I didn't do that. You know who we are? You know who mechanics are? Mm-hmm. You have my card? Yeah. Just call me. You have my number? Are you sure? What's wrong with you, man? Yeah, I'm just saying, call me in a minute so I can finish doing this video. You're okay, yeah, I'm just trying to finish the video for one of these customers. You're good, that part I can cut out. I can cut out all that. Okay. But make sure you still have it. I'm finished, right? I'm Arthur. Arthur? Mm-hmm. Huh, what's your phone number? 303 406 3554. Yep. My phone in there? Oh, okay. Yeah, it's okay. And it's an iPhone, so you FaceTime me, iMessage, whatever. Yeah, just give me like 10 minutes. Okay? Yes. Okay, I'll call you back. Okay. Thank you. No problem. Where was I at? Okay. Man, he's like, what's wrong with you? You don't know me? Yeah, no, I'm trying to do something. You interrupted me real fast, man. Yeah.
Yeah, I know who he is. Because there was one of the BMWs I was trying to buy from him, and he didn't want to sell it. Yeah, he didn't want to sell it to me. He didn't want to sell it to me for what I wanted it for, or the time frame. He's like, nah. Like I told him to take $1,000 off of what he was talking about. Mm-hmm. She's like, oh no, I can sell it for this, that, now. Okay, well, sell it then.
Right.
Sell it, man. What's wrong? Disconnect that. Should be good to go. Make sure the wiper blades is working right. Do it again. Spray it. Okay. All right, got those on there. Try to start it. Good to go. We're all set. Uh-oh. Can't be skinning them ones, man.